Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the CRM plugin of RedmineUP via the Bitnami Redmine Virtual Image. Okay, in our example, we're going to use the VirtualBox. However, you could use any other software for virtualization. Alright, so we open the VirtualBox and start our Bitnami Redmine 5.1, which is the latest stable one by now. Okay, we wait to just burn up. Alright, so our Redmine will be located into this address. It is the following IP. Okay. However, it could be possible that you have changed this address to something else, so it could not be forever this one. And if you like to, just a second please, to log in. Sorry. Okay, if you would like to check where your Redmine is located, then you could write command hostname I, and it will say again it is the same. However, just to say again, it could be something else, and this command will reveal you where your Redmine is located. Okay, so when we go to our Redmine that is located here, we are going to see what is happening there. Just wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to start. Okay, it started. We are logged in with our user, and when we go to administration and then information, we see that no plugins are installed, and there is Redmine 5.1.1 stable here. Alright, so the very first step that you have to do is to go to our command line and get the latest CRM or contacts plugin. It is the same thing, the latest version via the wget command. So we go to directory and folder opt Bitnami Redmine plugins, and when we list the plugins here, there are no plugins yet. Okay, just to say that I'm going to use, as I said, the wget command and just download the plugin via a link. However, you could use other ways of transferring the file from the host machine to the guest machine of VirtualBox. For example, you could go here to machine and file manager, and here is your host machine. You could log in into your guest machine and just copy paste and move the files in this way. So yeah, it is up to you. You could do other sharings and whatever. However, in my current example, I'm going to use the wget. Okay, so I just pasted the link here. It is wget, and the link for downloading the file, which is Redmine CRM 4.4.0. This is the latest contacts plugin for the current moment. So we click enter, and the plugin is successfully downloaded, so it is saved. Okay, we just double check and list, and we see that it is successfully downloaded. Okay, we unzip the file via the command unzip and then the zip file. Remember that we are into the plugins folder. Okay, so we unzip, alright, we are done, and remove the zip file. We are no longer needing using it and needs it. Alright, so we list again, and we have only the Redmine contacts folder that we have just unpacked and unzipped. Okay, so we return back to the Redmine core folder. Okay. Okay. So we just cleared the history above via the clear button, and now we are going to use the bundle install. So this command is going to install the needed gems that in our case are 81 gems that are now installed. Alright, the next step is to do the migration. So it is done via the command bundle exec rake Redmine plugins. Name, it is Redmine Contacts. Rails and production. Okay, so we wait now. And these lines here are showing that the migrations are being done. So this table is migrated, this database table is migrated, and so on. The migrations are successfully done. Okay, and the very last step that we have to do is to just restart our Redmine. So it is done via this opt Bitnami control script, and here restart. Okay, restarting services. Now let's go back to our Redmine and just refresh to see if our contacts plugin is successfully installed. Just try. So we click on refresh and just wait to see what is going to happen. Of course, we have to wait a couple of seconds because Redmine needs some time to restart. Okay, so we see that the Redmine Contacts has just appeared here. Okay, so it is successfully installed into our Redmine. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.